Xiaomi left a couple of fans in India with a red face by launching the Redmi Note 5 in China with somewhat improved specs than the Redmi Note 5 Pro, with which it shares the same design. We bring you hands-on unboxing photos of the Redmi Note 5 sourced from Chinese blog My Drivers. The photos effectively confirm the device has the same design as the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The features include a similar 5.99-inch FHD Plus display packing a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. The display is placed under a layer of 2.5D curved glass to provide some bit of protection and aesthetics. The front panel of the Redmi Note 5 includes a soft LED flash-enabled 13MP selfie camera that carries support for AI portrait mode. This is distinctively different from the Redmi Note 5 Pro's 20MP selfie shooter. The inclusion of pre-HDR allows it to intelligently detect the background light to capture amazing selfie shots in dim light conditions by accordingly configuring the front LED flash. The front-facing camera can also capture Full HD videos. At the rear, the Redmi Note 5 features an aluminium unibody with an AI-driven dual rear camera arrangement at the top left corner. The camera is stacked vertically with the LED flash sitting between both rear shooters. The Redmi Note 5's AI dual camera comprises of a 12MP primary sensor that has a pixel size of 1.4 micron and f1.9 aperture along with a 5MP secondary depth of field sensor. It is equipped with features like dual autofocus, eyes, electronic image stabilization, HDR, burst mode and panorama. The dual rear cameras can also capture amazing AI-driven portrait shots by naturally blurring the background. Apart from shooting Full HD videos, it can also record 720p slow-motion videos. In addition, the Redmi Note 5 comes with a thin build, and as a result of the high screen-to-body ratio, the device packs a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and lacks a physical home button under the display. There is also the Face ID technology which brings face unlock to the device. Check out more pictures of the Redmi Note 5 after the cut.